Are you an angry bird? Do you launch yourself as a projectile for no apparent reason? Do you want to destroy porcine domiciles? Well, I think we can help. Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Wexelflat, Director at the Center for Angry Bird Management. Here at the Center for Angry Bird Management, we specialize in ridding clients of their angry bird impulses with techniques such as squawk, 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 squawk therapy. Very good, Robert. Behavior analysis. Deshaun, what do you want to do to this pig?
I want to hug it.
And role-playing. I am a bird, and I want to destroy your home. How does that make you feel?
Very, very confused.
Good boy. He's ready. So don't delay. Walk to a phone and give us a squawk today. The Center for Angry Bird Management.